our Park City Fine Art Gallery. We got a line with my old friend Grizzly. We got a lot in common. Grizzly bear. Alright, saddling up. Gonna go do some riding. Ready? I think Cody's got us beat with the power. How many cc's?
Just 250.
250. Well, that's double mine.
Yeah, but you're double the rider.
There's some buffalo. So learn your lesson, do not kick rocks when you're taking off. She broke her toe. I think this one looks good. Ready? Are you okay? Did you hurt your leg? Grab it. Got too high on that side?
Yeah.
You hurt your leg?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, let's
Did it
see.
roll on
Is
you?
your machine okay though? This thing
This should
came
be-
off.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, we probably should turn around and check you out.
No, I'm good.
There's a rock over there you can sit on and let's check your leg and see.
I'm good.
You sure?
No.
Got some scratches. Nothing's poking out. It doesn't look like anything's broken. Wiggle toes is fine.
No, like it
What?
landed like a little bit on me, but not like really like that much. So I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm just worried like if I.
Well,
Oh, this
It's
thing
a-
should be fine.
a little bit of challenge.
And it broke this.
You
but
want to
that's-
take it up the hill? Is there bigger hills than this or not?
No,
Maybe.
this is the
This is the one.
hardest part.
Let me take it up there and see how it is.
Oh, I'm trying to slide this thing on.
You're just trying to get good video, that's all.
You weren't there for it.
I didn't see it, no, but I...
Don't take a video of this.
All right, I won't. A rancher over there, I don't know what kind of ranch he's got. Folks are coming there. Alright, so WACEY has got some backcountry knowledge here. Somebody built this natural spring.
My wife's grandpa, Clark, used to run
Cool. Alright, crossing the stream. Woo! See if I can stay dry. Woo! Stay out. I'm dry. It's a little rocky. Woo! I'm doing the hula dance. Well, what is that? That's this one. What's that one?
And then up there it ends and it's just single track for motorcycle. So I kind of want to go just to look because I've never been to the
Over, yeah.
but I think this will be our turnaround point to go back.
Alright, so maybe I can like ride around here and see that.
Yeah, just anything around here. I think it gets nasty that way. I'm gonna go check it out.
I'll go check it out too.
You will come back to it, right?
Yeah, we know.
Way back.
Campsite, take care of yourself, and we'll be right back. Did I turn this off? I did. That middle is deep. You gotta go to the edge. Alright, get it. Beautiful spot here, right? Look at the creek and green. Had some rain here the other night, probably last night. Making some plans. Some of us are gonna go up, some of us are gonna go down and hang out different little campsites and fun places.
Cindy, I came down to watch you.
Noah went as deep as you could go. I think he got his belly button wet.
What about you?
I went to the edge.
Oh.
It was fine. 1 foot.
What about Bethany?
She's staying at the campsite.
Single track right here is a blast. I was gonna say, it's my favorite. Go help her.
Nah, she's good. She's just gonna relax. That's a little trail.
Yeah.
I think there's a trail there. We'll go find it. There it goes. Look at that, that's so beautiful.
Woohoo! Like this could be a good spot for Noah to launch.
Yeah. Lovely, huh? Wow. Beautiful trail, beautiful morning workout. Oh my goodness. We got, look.
Are yours the same? 450?
No, I'm a
He's a 250.
250?
And Noah's a 200. There's Noah launching his drone. I got you on YouTube. I'm almost out of battery. I don't see blades turning.
It says GPS sync.
He's thinking about it. What are you thinking about? Got dark clouds way up there. See if we can get down before the flash flood comes or the lightning and thunder. Coming into Park City, gonna go look at the art gallery.
Continue on Deer Valley Drive for half a mile.
That's Bethany. I'm gonna go for it. Oh, they got some work trains going on. yeah, this is Mirror Lake Diner. Beautiful place here. Camas. I'm gonna go here and order.
Drink? Hey. I know. What are you gonna have, honey?
What? What does she want? Yeah. Oh, I missed all the pretty girls. Yeah, that's it. I was focused on that buffalo. Buffalo. Yeah, boulder jumping. Look at the size of that thing. Here we are at Epic Paramotor Noah campsite. And look at that beautiful tree. Let's go watch it. Yeah, I'm Mackin. Reminds me of the Swiss Family Robinson tree house kind of thing. It's a smaller version. You could build a house in this one. Cool.